If you thought construction jobs were all work and no reward, it's time to think again and imagine something different. Like a construction company that offers great pay and regular bonuses for outstanding work. A company where training is paid from day one and the tools and equipment are top of the line, so you can get the job done safely the right way. A company with stable year-round work and the opportunity for you to grow and take on new roles and responsibilities. A company where you feel like you really made a difference at the end of every single day. Well, you can stop imagining, because that company exists. And we're redefining the meaning of construction work. So if you're ready for a construction career that's more rewarding than you ever thought possible, we're ready for you.